Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are discussing the step-by-step process of creating a new partition in Windows. Partitions are useful for organizing, storage, and improving the system performance. So make sure stay tuned and following along with the steps. Okay, the first step is to open this management. We can do this quickly through the start menu. Simply type this management in the search bar and click on the application that appears. Okay, this is this management, right? And once this management is open, we need to identify the disk we want to partition. Be sure to choose the disk carefully, as creating a partition will divide the storage space on that disk. After identifying, select the space we want to partition. Right click on the space and choose menu shrink volume. In this case, we'll select Prayogi D, this D. Right click and shrink volume. Okay, this will give us the option to specify the size of new partition. And in the shrink window, enter the size in MB for the new partition. Make sure the size meets your requirement. After that, click shrink to initiate the process. In this case, we'll to shrink 10 MB, 10 megabyte, 10 GB. Okay. Okay, like this, and click shrink. Once the shrink process is complete, we'll see newly create unallocated space, and right click on space and select new simple volume. Okay. Follow the wizard instruction to complete the process of creating the new partition. Click next. Assign the following drive letter. You can choose this, and you can set the volume label like this, and click next and finish. And congratulations, you have successfully created a new partition in Windows. Be sure to check the File Explorer to confirm that the new partition has been formed successfully. Okay, this is new disk. Yep. Like this, new disk. Okay, that's everyone, and how to create a new partition in Windows easily. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.